Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Chlamydia trachomatis IgM ELISA kit. As you can see, this is the top and the front view of the kit. Let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is the Chlamydia trachomatis IgM ELISA kit. You can see the reference number here, CT055M. You can find the lot number, the manufacturing and the expiry date. It is a standard 96 well plate. It has a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So that's the reason why it is placed in a gel pack. So guys, as you can see, this kit contains a coated well plate, control and standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, a reference to enclosed certificate of analysis for the full compound details. And this kit is used only for research purposes and not for diagnostics. And at this right hand bottom corner you can see the manufacturing address. So guys, this is the Calbiotech Chlamydia trachomatis IgM ELISA kit. So let me show you the back side of the kit. Here you can see it is manufactured in USA, California, and you can see the other details of it. So as you can see, it is specializing in immunoassays. So let me show you the other side. So let me open this for you. So guys, as you can see, on the top there is this Calbiotech Chlamydia trachomatis IgM ELISA pack insert for it. You can see, this is the pack insert. Then you can see this is the catalog number CT055M. It is a standard 96 well plate. So let me show you the other things. Let me keep this aside. So this is the certification of analysis. So this is the Calbiotech Chlamydia trachomatis IgM ELISA's certification of analysis. You can see the catalog number and the expiry date of all these components. So let me keep this aside. Then we have the coated well plates. You can see, this is the Calbiotech coated well plates with Strep trachomatis antigen. You can see this is a 96 well plate. So let me keep this aside. Then there are a couple of reagents. Let me take this out. So let me keep this here. As you can see, these are these reagents. There is a total of 8 reagents present. So let us see one by one. This is the Chlamydia trachomatis IgM negative control, and you can see this is it has a volume of 1 ml. Then this is the Chlamydia trachomatis IgM calibrator, and it also has a volume of 1 ml. Then we have the Chlamydia trachomatis IgM positive control, and it has a volume of 6.8 ml. And after that we have the enzyme conjugate. Then we have the TMB substrate. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the IgM sample diluent. At last we have the wash concentrate. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Calbiotech Chlamydia trachomatis IgM ELISA kit. So the standard kit comes with a pack insert and IFU voucher. Then we have the certification of analysis. Then we have the trachomatis IgM negative control. Then we have the Trichomatis IgM calibrator. Then we have the Trichomatis IgM positive control. Then we have the enzyme conjugate, the TMB substrate, the stop solution, the IgM sample diluent, the wash buffer, and at last we have the coated well plates, the Trichomatis antigen coated well plates. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Calbiotech Chlamydia trachomatis IgM ELISA kit. Thank you.